Hello ladies and gents, today we are in the greatest simulator of them all. This is real life and we're going to hit some not mountain roads but hilly roads because, well, England is very flat. Hopefully we got no traffic today, but I'm going to try and send it anyway. It is a very warm October evening. It's about 20 degrees still at the end of October. Madness. Got to slow down a bit here because it is very narrow. I don't want to crash into anyone. There we go, there's the cars I was expecting. Brake for this corner just to settle the car. Cambered crest. There's horse shit all over the road. That's going to be slippy. Got to watch out for that. Brake for this. Woo! The G-forces over there are mental. Now we've got some kind of hairpinny corners coming up on a downhill. Braking a bit late there, almost locked up. Did you hear the tyres squealing? I don't know if he did or not, but they were. Became in a bit hot there for my liking. My brake pads, or my brake pads are wearing away a bit. I do have a brake pad light on, as you can see there, so I'm kind of just trying to kill them at the moment until I buy some new ones. There we go. Very narrow up here. On the uphill. Hedges all around the place, just like a Assetto Corsa. Now we've got to watch out. Here's a motorbike. Now we do have a nice wall here right next to the road, so let's see if we can get some engine sound. Oh yes, I bet the people in that house hate living there. Loads of people must do that. Now this is under tree cover here and it's going to be very slippy, so I'm going to kind of watch out. It is very twisty too. Got to shift down into second, so I don't know what's coming around this corner. The biggest danger on the road is other drivers, so I'm going to try and keep it kind of safe. And of course, I'm the biggest danger on this road at the moment, unless there's more of a dickhead than me on it, but I doubt it. I doubt it. Now coming up to a nice fast straight section. Hopefully there's no traffic. We're going to catch up to. Oh, lovely. What is that? Is that an Aston? Yes, it is. He wishes he was driving like this. Let's see what she's got on the uphill. Come on. Come on, girl. Got to switch over to the other lane here because it is a bit bumpy on the left. There's shit flying all over the place. I do have the roof off. Brake and a downshift. Big brake. Big brake. Try not to lock her up. These brake pads are definitely getting their final comeuppance. They're going to be dead after this. Dead. They're already weak AF. Oh shit. There's a bird in the road. There's a fucking bird in the road. Is that a non-flight bird? Why wasn't it flying away? Right, now we've got to go into the other lane here, so I'm going to kind of indicate and slow down. I'm actually going to do an indicate. I know you're not supposed to in these, but you know, sometimes you just got to. Look at that sky, man. This is beautiful. Woo! This is what I live for, man. I fucking love this. Let's go. Right, steep downhill coming with hairpins. We're going to slow down a bit around this corner, just to play it safe. I don't know how my brakes are going to perform on this. As I said, the brake pads are going. Here's hairpin 1. This is a proper little toge section for all you weebs. Here we go. This one isn't a hairpin actually, I kind of forgot what it was, but still a nice corner. Oh, that sun is blinding. I should have worn sunglasses. Can't see a bloody thing. Woo! Ric Flair woo! Oh, that's a penalty there. Don't see too many of those knocking about. SUV Bentleys. Coming up to a town now.